2, 3. Mabuhay! Hi po, hindi ni Aya po. I heard that your anak po, gusto niya po kasi manood sa Tagatog concert. Feeling ko po, pagbigyan niyo na po kasi feeling ko deserve naman. And feeling ko kasi it's not just a want, it's a need. It's a need. It's good for the mind, body, heart, and soul. And kasi, the youth is the future of tomorrow. To make them the future of tomorrow, they have to be happy. They need to be happy. And sabi ng anak ko po, magiging happy po siya pag nakapunta po siya sa Tugatog concert. So, let's, yeah. So, yeah. Ha.